Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a topic I've seen online about a Jamaican child being barred from going to school with her dreadlocks here. She was barred back in 2018, but 2020 the High Court or the Supreme Court has ruled that her constitutional rights were not breached. Guys, this irritates me so much. So basically what the court is saying is that Kensington Primary School did not breach the child's constitutional rights when it denied her entry for having dreadlocks back in 2018. As a Jamaican woman of African descent who advocates for black women to wear their natural hair and one who also wore dreadlocks, I thought I have to give my opinion on this one. Are we really emancipated? On the 1st of August, we celebrated Emancipation Day, a day to commemorate the emancipation of enslaved people of African descent. So tell me why in 2018, this child was barred from entering school. For what? For wearing her hair in one of the most natural form an African person can wear their hair. Let's do a short experiment. Leave your hair, wash it, moisturize it, and let it grow. Just let it go. Just like other races do, they wash their hair, some may moisturize, some not, and just let it go. Guess what the result will be? Dreadlocks. You will come out with dreadlocks. That's one of the most natural form a black person can wear their hair. So why in 2020, a Supreme Court that is in a nation of people who celebrate the emancipation of enslaved African descent decided that this child's constitutional rights were not breached by the school? Guys, of course they were. Her rights to freedom of expression, her rights to religion, because I think the family are Rastafarians, her rights to equality, to education, because they basically said, you can't come to school because you have dreadlocks. Guys, this is just unbelievable to me. So what about the students with relaxed hair? Is that accepted? Is that acceptable? I'm not against people who wear relaxed hair or wear extensions or braids. I do braids. I wear braids. But it's never because I don't think I'm beautiful, so I have to do something different to my hair. Or because I think it's not acceptable to go outside with my hair. There are people who cannot or will never step outside their door with their own natural afro hair. And that's sad. Are we really emancipated? I think the Jamaican society has lost the meaning of emancipation. We're not talking about, no, slavery has been abolished years ago, many years ago. Now we're talking about our mental space. Where are we mentally? Do we know ourselves? Who am I? I feel the most natural when I'm wearing my natural hair or when I had my dreadlocks. I think my dreadlocks started the process of me accepting who I am and what I have. I usually say this, that our hair is woven in our DNA and there's nothing we can do to change that. What if the companies decide to stop making extension, to stop making relaxer? What are you gonna do? You have to learn a new person. You have to learn about this new person that is in front of you in the mirror. Why not do that now? Do that now. Embrace us now. Embrace who we are now. I have some friends who tells me sometimes that you're so simple. But I don't think I'm simple. I am me. This is me. This is me. Sometimes I put on the makeup. I don't really know how to put it on very well, but I don't feel like I have to put on makeup to go outside. I have to relax my hair. I have to wear extensions. No, that I think is still slavery. It's the mental slavery we're trying to fight against. And who are we making wealthy? So if the child had relaxed hair, Would that be acceptable? It is really sad. If there was a hygiene problem, a letter or a meeting with the parents to wash the child's hair. I've seen the pictures of the parents and they look like reasonable people. They can reason with, they're decent looking people. So a letter to come in, talk about the hygiene of the child's hair would have been sufficient. But barring the child from school, that's extreme in my opinion. And Jamaican, if you're a Jamaican and you're watching this, or if you're an African person with curly hair, let us try to embrace our hair and work on the mental space. I'm not saying you should never wear, or do what you do with your hair, but think about our mental space, like who we are. What is the makeup of our DNA? What makes us us? What make you you? The moment we start to accept us for us is the moment that we will strive, in the right ways that we want to strive. There is this word that I've been using of lately, and it's called contentment. That word has been ringing out in my head for the past few days. I have to practice to be contented with what I have. And this is what I was born with. This is what I have. So, yeah, contentment. This is what I have, and I have to be contented with it. And I implore you to do the same. If by any chance someone from the Supreme Court in Jamaica sees this video, I beg you to give that child and all the Jamaican children of African descent the freedom to be themselves, the freedom of self-expression. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye for now.